Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Now the Aussie yen's rather range bound, failed at weekly resistance up here, anticipating will come down and test 94.31 this week. Does that hold as support or do we break down and through? Do we break down and through, become resistance for a move down towards weekly support at 93.03? 94.31 could hold as support for a move back up the range. So the key level to watch at the start of the week is 94.31 day support. Does it hold as support or does it break, become resistance for a move down towards weekly support at 93.03? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.